Am I the only one who didn't know the US-Mexico border was about to become a military hotspot? Let's dive into the drama. In early 2025, the US-Mexico border morphed into a high-stakes battleground. Reinstated President Donald Trump ramped up his war on drug cartels, proposing bold military interventions. Trump's administration labeled major Mexican cartels as terrorist organizations, fueling the fire. Troops, drones, and surveillance flooded the southern border, signaling a new phase in this relentless war on drugs. On April 16, Trump made a controversial move suggesting U.S. troops enter Mexico to target the cartels directly. Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum stood her ground, declaring, "Sovereignty is not for sale. We can work together, but you in your territory and us in ours." Despite Sheinbaum's refusal, the U.S. didn't back down, transferring control of the Roosevelt Reservation to the Department of Defense. This allowed active duty troops to intensify border enforcement. Experts are sounding the alarm, warning that unilateral U.S. military action could destabilize the region, strain diplomatic ties, and incite cartel violence. This standoff highlights the intricate dance of international cooperation versus national sovereignty in combating cross-border threats. As the sun sets over the border, one question remains. Will collaboration or confrontation shape the future of U.S.-Mexico relations? Subscribe for more in-depth analysis and storytelling. Stay informed, stay engaged.